To perform the inverted row, get a nice firm grip on a bar that's about chest height. The lower down the bar is, the harder it will be to perform this exercise. Step forward under the bar and work to get your legs straight. Pull hard while you inhale, expanding the chest and flexing the back. Exhale as you come down, keeping good control of the core and keeping your hips up. If you can't quite suspend your whole body weight, bend your knees and that'll make the exercise easier. Perform each repetition through the full range of motion for your programmed reps. This exercise is called the inverted row. It's a foundational exercise, and you can use anything that has a bar suspended high enough for you to hang from it. We've got a Smith machine, so let's get into it. The inverted row is an amazing exercise to get your back and arms working together and to get your body used to suspending your body weight. If you're working up to a pull-up, or maybe even a muscle up, this is an amazing way to train those muscles. Notice how Katie has a firm grip on the bar. She's using her back muscles to keep herself engaged. She's also doing a good job keeping her core engaged so that her hips aren't dipping the whole time. Now she's doing the modification with her knees slightly bent. That'll make it easier on you, and then you can work your way up to nice straight legs. Excellent job, Katie.